Hello everyone, welcome to Java Code Threads. Today we are going to solve another problem statement, that is how to find longest word in the sentence or the string. To solve this problem statement, I have two ways, by using the reduce method and by using the sorting. In sorting, we will discuss using the method references as well as lambda expressions. So let's get started. So this is my input string. Java is object oriented language. So in this string I need to find the longest word. Okay, so for that purpose I have to split this string into the array format. So we'll split this string. Sentence dot split is the method. We have to split by using the white space, so it will return me a string array. So I'll name it as a str array. Str array. Now I have to convert this str array into the string format. For that purpose I am going to use arrays.stream method, and I have to pass str array. Now I'm going to use reduce method. Reduce method is a terminal operations. So dot reduce. So you can see reduce is a binary operator. Binary operator is an interface which extends by function. So in Java 8 programming features, we have a predefined functional interfaces like predicate, function, supplier, and consumer. So in normal function which take a single input, and based on that it will return the result. But in by function, as the name suggests, it will take a two variable as an input, and it will return a single result. Okay, so we need to pass the same. So reduce method it's a binary operator which accept the two variables. So here I'm going to pass two variables, that is world1 and world2. Okay, based on that I have to process the data, and I have to return the result. Okay, so to solve this problem I need to find out the length of each word, and I have to compare that length, and based on that I have to return the word. For that purpose I am going to use a ternary operation. For that purpose, word1 dot length is the method. If my word length is greater than word to that length, then simply I have to return the word 1. Otherwise I have to return word 2, correct? And this reduce method which returns a optional class, correct? So if there is a no word in the string, in that case we need to return, or else no word is present, no word. Okay, now we assign this into the local variable. I'll name it as a result. Okay, let let's print this output result. Okay, control shift F for formatting purpose. Right click, run as Java application. Let's see. So we are getting the longest word is object oriented. Let's try to modify this string. Run it again. Yeah, we are getting as expected, correct? This is the way one. We are going to discuss now way two by using the sorting techniques. We will start by using the method references first. Okay, so I am copy this string array.string method dot. So now I have to use max as a function for sorting, for the sorting purpose. Okay, max is accepting, you can see the comparator. Okay, comparator class. So we need to pass the comparator over here. Comparator, we have two types of classes for the sorting purpose. One is a comparable, and another is a comparator. Comparator is mostly used for the customized sorting. Okay, so in this case we need to pass we need to compare the integer, that is a string length, correct? For that purpose we have a class called collector, sorry, comparator. Comparator dot we have to compare the int. So you can see the comparator has a various method. Like we need to use a comparing, we have to use a here comparing int. So which int we need to compare? We have to compare the string length, so we need to specify over it here. len. Okay. If you check the return type of this max function, it's again optional. So what we gonna do? We are doing the same. Otherwise or else no word found. Okay, no words found. Okay, and we will store this result into the local variable called result1. Okay, let's print this result1. Okay, let's run our program. Yeah, we are getting the same output. Okay, now we will discuss another way by using the lambda expression. So method references are alternatives to the lambda expression. Now let's discuss about the how we can solve by using the lambda functions. Okay, so I'm copying the same string. Okay, same logic over here and paste it. So instead of method references, I'm going to use the lambda functions, correct? So here what I'm going to do, I'm taking the two inputs, word1 and word2. So here is the lambda operator. Then what I have to do, I have to compare uh, uh, these two words length, correct? For that purpose I'm going to use integer class. Integer has a one method called compare. Okay, and we need to pass word1 dot length and word2 dot length. That's it. Okay, and I'll assign this into the one local variable called result2. Okay, and let's print it. Okay, let's run. Yeah, we are getting the same. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.